Look out for Timothy's lessons in good values. He is the warrior of good values. Teaching life lessons to his friends. It's Timothy. Rescuing his friends from danger. It's the warrior. Building confidence and mental strength. Look out for Timothy's lessons in good values. He is the warrior of good values.
Hey everyone, and welcome to Timothy's Lessons. My name is Timothy, but others may know me as the Warrior of Good Values. My friends and I are going to discuss important values that you can use to become responsible, respectable, and awesome individuals. So are you ready to get the fun started? Awesome! Before we begin, I would like to introduce you to my best friends. This is Max, Emily, and Billy. Now, let's get ready to learn and have fun. Let's talk about kindness. Do you know that you must always be kind to others? Because you never really know what they are going through. A simple smile can brighten someone's day and make that person feel good about themselves. You can show kindness by saying thank you, or giving someone a compliment, or even sharing your snacks or toys with your friends. So let's all be kind to each other so we can make this world a better place. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you for my next lesson. Bye for now.
Hey everyone, I am Emily, and today let's talk about why we must ask questions. Do you know that asking questions about something that you're not sure about makes you smarter? Because it gives you the opportunity to find a solution to your problem. It's good to ask questions, particularly in the classroom, because if you don't, or if you feel embarrassed to ask any questions, you may end up making a lot of mistakes with your schoolwork that may result in a low score on your test. Also, asking questions to a responsible adult like a parent or a teacher gives you the understanding of what is right and what is wrong. So, don't ever feel embarrassed to ask questions.
Hey everyone. Welcome back. Today let's talk about adaptability. Adaptability is adjusting to different changes or challenges in your environment. This is a super important value to have, because it builds confidence and gives you a better chance at succeeding at life's uncertainty, and makes you learn from new experiences. For example, when you're adaptive, you are more likely to remain calm during stressful situations, and you begin to view unfamiliar situations as opportunities to learn, compared to obstacles to overcome. Life is always changing, so it's up to us to adapt to that change. So, until the next lesson, my friends.
Hey there! My name is Billy, and I would like to talk about compassion today. It is so important to show compassion to others because it lets them know that someone cares for them. Many times we don't quite know a person's struggles or when someone is feeling sad. So, by showing compassion towards others in our everyday life, for example, making sure your peers are included in school projects or sports, or helping an elderly person carry their groceries, or even standing up for others when they are unable to, helps us become better individuals.
Hey there. Did you know an octopus has 3 hearts? They use 2 of their hearts to pump blood through their gills, which is what an octopus uses to absorb oxygen from the water. Their 3rd heart's main function is to pump oxygen-rich blood from their gills to the rest of their body that includes the brain and muscles of the octopus. They particularly need this 3rd heart to ensure their organs and tissues are supplied with oxygen in order to function properly. How cool is that?
Hey there! My name is Billy, and I would like to talk about cooperation today. Cooperation is such an awesome quality to have, because it means that you enjoy helping others when needed, whether it's on a team or in a group for a school project. It's working together and sharing ideas and different opinions to achieve a specific task. For example, you can cooperate with others by helping your friends with their homework, or working together to solve different problems for a class project. So if you like this video, let's cooperate together to inspire another person. Bye for now.
Hey everyone. Welcome back. Today let's talk about communication. Communication is the way we express our ideas, thoughts, or feelings towards each other. It is very important to communicate properly, because when we don't, it usually leads to a lot of misunderstandings that can develop into a lack of trust and productivity. You can learn to communicate properly by thinking of your thoughts and ideas clearly before telling someone, or listening carefully before asking questions, and by being considerate of a person's ideas and thoughts. So, until the next lesson, my friends.
Today let's talk about our creativity. Do you know that we all have our own unique creativity that makes us extra awesome? You may have a super creative imagination to write different stories, while I am creative at visual arts because I just love to draw and paint. Others may be creative in sports or in music, where they can write wonderful songs and play different instruments, and some may even be creative in performing on stage through dance and acting. So always remember, you are creative in your own way. Let's use our creativity together to uplift and encourage each other to be better.
Hey there, welcome back. Today let's talk about boundaries. Boundaries are different limits that we set for ourselves to protect us both mentally and physically. We use this quality as a guide to establish respect for ourselves and for others. Think of it this way, when someone tells you their boundaries, it makes you aware of that person's mindset and what they are comfortable with. For example, a person may be comfortable with just a handshake and not a hug, so their boundary would be respecting their personal space. So, let's continue to respect each other's boundaries. Bye for now. And that's the end of our lesson today. I hope you had fun learning these important lessons today. And always remember, you too can be a warrior of good values.
Look out for Timothy's lessons in good values. He is the warrior of good values. Teaching life lessons to his friends. It's Timothy. Rescuing his friends from danger. It's the warrior. Building confidence and mental strength. Look out for Timothy's lessons in good values. He is the warrior